Hi guys, today I'm gonna have a little different approach for my videos. I'm gonna make a fucking yandere simulator video because seeing Senpai's beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding voice acting just makes me want to replicate his beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding voice acting. Side note, if you genuinely like Senpai from Yandere Simulator, why? Just why? Alright, that's all. Enjoy. Are you okay? Can I help you? Is something wrong? I'm a little concerned. Excuse me. Would you please stop doing that? You're scaring me! What the hell's wrong with you? Get away from me! Why do you have so much blood on you? Did you hurt somebody? Why do you have a weapon? What are you gonna do with that thing? Stay back! What's wrong with you? Stop it! This is no place for violence! What the hell are you doing? That's horrible. Stop it, you creep! Osana, what happened? You killed them! Stay back! Get away from me!
No, wait.